man?
He got enough to drink. I still want more.
All right, cool. That could have been a thought. Is there a dog in here? What the fuck is going on? Now I see a dog. I'm like dealing with this, and then someone raises a dog behind me. This has never happened in my life. It's a fucking dog heckler. This is unbelievable. Did you bring that, or did it fall from the roof? That might be a rat. That might be a rat. That's a cute little rat. So, wow, damn, first animal heckle of my life, and it feels good. It feels good. Get that dog a drink. I've never had that happen before where I'm talking to an audience member and someone just holds an animal behind me. That's unbelievable. I'm trying to deal with this guy's worst story in history. Do you hire someone with an animal? If you're like, if I tell the worst story ever, show an animal to distract from how bad my story was. One time I was thirsty, then I drank something. Bombs, and someone was the parrot is right behind you. Fucking good story, to be honest. That story about drinking with the parrot, that was really good. I will say at this point of the show, if anyone else has a pet, let's just bring it out. Let's get the rest of the pets on here. We might as well show them all. I'd love to see someone twirling a snake above. I think that would be really fun. If you have a hamster, everyone in here is too old to have one, so go back, you creepy shit. If you have a hamster, if anyone in here owns a hamster, too old to have it, and I hope you fall in love with the guy riding slides. That's what I hope happens to you. Because we're both lonely. And you can finally... I watch his comedy.